Spirit Airlines offers in-flight Wi-Fi through a hybrid system, combining Viasat satellite internet with T-Mobile's 5G terrestrial network on select flights. This hybrid approach uses satellite technology for global coverage and T-Mobile's 5G network for faster speeds over land areas. To connect, first enable Wi-Fi on your device, then select Spirit Wi-Fi from available networks. This directs you to the Spirit portal or app where you can choose a Wi-Fi plan. T-Mobile's enhanced connectivity is available on flights over areas with 5G coverage, automatically switching to satellite when out of range. Expect improved data speeds up to 25 to 50 megabps on routes supporting T-Mobile's network, especially over land. Full rollout is expected by Q1 2026. Spirit provides several Wi-Fi plans. Basic plans start around $8, offering limited access suitable for email and messaging. Premium plans costing $15 to $25 provide unlimited data for the flight. To set up, select your desired plan, enter payment details, and agree to the terms. Keep in mind, data caps may apply, and throttling may occur after exceeding these limits. For security, use a VPN for sensitive activities. Wi-Fi is typically disabled during takeoff and landing, complying with FAA regulations. Check the Spirit app or onboard portal for up-to-date pricing and plan details.